Outstanding design defines the 2013 Chrysler 200. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, heated seats, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and leather upholstery. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.